Christian Lopez. On behalf of SB Travel Tour Agency, we are pleased to be your tour guide for a fun and exciting tour here in Pampanga. Pampanga province is situated in Central Luzon region and is mostly known for its sophisticated culinary industry. Kapampangans are well known for their culinary inventions, but Pampanga has also a wide variety of attractions and we will be touring some of them today. But before I proceed, there are some friendly reminders that I want you to consider, so please keep in mind. First is cleanliness. We must leave no trace. We want to make sure that the environment is always clean. Second, we have a first aid kit in case of emergency. And if you only whistle once, that means you can explore the area and take a picture. If you hear me whistle twice, that means we should gather around and proceed to our next destination. So, to our next destination, we have the Mount Arayat National Park. Mount Arayat National Park, originally famous for its tale of fairies, mystical creatures that supposedly inhabit the forest. Mount Arayat National Park was considered now as the most popular destination hiking here in Central Luzon region. At the summit is a volcanic crater, and at its foot is the Pampanga River, the largest river here in Pampanga. The Mount Arayat National Park was established in 1970s, complete with national springs, picnic sites, and mountain route to lead to the mountain. So first, before we proceed to our next destination, let us do the head count. 1, 2, 3, 30. Okay, let's now proceed to our next destination. So for our second destination, we have the Nayong Filipino Clark. Here you'll find a rather unique Filipino village, otherwise called as Nayong Filipino. It is contained in a 45-acre land with a theme park and amusement park type environment. This cultural park is essentially a representation of a miniature Philippines and how diverse its culture. Its region is here you find the representation of regions in the Philippines such as Cordillera Central, Ilocos, Tagalog, Bicol, Visayas, and Mindanao. Each region represented has a typical residential building, landmark structure, and Filipino geography that includes characteristics of landscapes and indicative of the specific region. For example, the Cebu region here in our Filipino features the most historic replica of the Magellan's Cross, and one of the examples for Visayas region is the Bohol Chocolate Hills. Moreover, some of the most famous heroes and political residences are also featured in this very unique facility. So, visiting these structures is like taking a trip in a time machine to a different time and place in the Philippines history. So before we proceed to our next destination, let me do the head count to make sure that we are complete. 1, 2, 3, 30, and we are complete. So let's proceed to our next destination. So on to our third destination, we have the Holy Cross Parish. Holy Cross Parish is also known as the Santo Rosario Parish. This 141 years old parish is also known among the locals as the Pisamba Maragul or the Big Church. This structure has been promoted by the National Museum as the important property here in our country. This structure has been established in 1877 to 1896. You can also roam around roam around the church. And there are also bikers here visiting in the area. So please enjoy the beautiful sight. And this is our central religious site here in Angeles City. Before to proceed to our last destination, we must do a head count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. Okay, we are complete. Let us proceed to our next destination. Now, gather up everyone because we are heading to our last destination. We have built this group just yet. So let's head into the little fun and go to Sky Ranch Pampanga. Sky Ranch Pampanga is built in a 10,000 square meter land is SM City Pampanga in San Fernando City, the capital city of Pampanga. Sky Ranch is open for walking customers and group tours which offers exciting environment for all ages like the roller coaster, field runner, super biking, and many more. But one of the most famous and most prominent rides here in Sky Ranch is the Pampanga Eye, which is not only famous in the park but also in the Philippines. It is a Ferris wheel. It is the most prominent Ferris wheel and tallest in the Philippines, which stands at 200 feet or 65 meters at height. Upon one of the $50 and enjoy the view of Mount Arayan that only you can experience here in Sky Ranch, Pampanga.
Thank you.
How unfortunate that our tour is about to end. But we are thankful for you that you picked the SB Travel and Tour Agency for us to tour all of you. So thank you everyone.
Before we proceed to our next participant, I would like to introduce you our judges. First, Joyce Yulia, grade 11 teacher. Then our next judge is Joyce Ramirez, grade 11 teacher. And then our last but not the least, Charity Muki, grade 11 teacher. While we are waiting for our next contestant, I would like you also to know our criteria for judging. First, like professional appearance, energy, commentary skills, overall presentation, 20%. Okay, for a total of 100%.
Center check.
Meet our next participant from
Challenge,
Gaza. Let's give her a warm applause. Janice Fernandez.
Malago ka mo, Channing Bliss! Go na!
walang bubungan sa atin, no? Kahit dito lang. Oo, dapat may bubungan. Para kahit pa paano, may program-program na tayo dito.
Kung hindi, maganda nga sana circle naman. Kaya lang higit naman parang naman nila sila. Kasi kapalan ng kami kapalan.
Kung kayo po yung nagugutom nyo, pwede po kayo bumisita sa mga store, mga ritual.
Salamat kayo sa mga sponsor natin. Ito, Salamat sa Salamat sa pagtangkilik. Dalawa na lang kayo, brother. Mabibilit nila ng Oo, masirayan mo. Ano kayo? Yan yung TV. Kaya mag-sponsor mo lang natin. Bagong TV. Sige mo. May bago yung legend kayo.
Para saan naman. Papakunti.
Tayo ah.
Ayaw mo?
Ano na meeting? Merong ano?
Aircon.
And now, meet our next contestant. Aaron Bowman and Michael Dave Sibayan from Kuala Lumpur. Let's give them a thunderstorm clap!
Ito ba yan?
Hindi ba isang nayan?
Ano daw? Ganyan talaga.
Tinatalo yung gold ball.
Ba't hindi mo sinunod sa'yo? Manalo ka na. Apat na ngayon. Baka kailangan lang. Dito magpayong ko. Magpayong ka. Akin na, video kita. Wala ka yata kami sila. Ayun lang dito ha. Kaya mo lang.
Ayaw niya daw mapanood yung sa
Yung section niyo.
Ano section niyo ba? Ay, ba't malaki sila niyan? Malaki sila niyan.
Ako pa rin wala lang yung bago at saka paano? Naghang? Ano na yun? Sobrang init saka ano? Basta tuloy-tuloy lang.
Oscar Watson. Confidence lang, tapos confidence, tapos energy, tapos magpasarap, parang buhay, no? Wala kang gulo.
Disconnected.
Ano ba? Disconnected. Hindi ka na bago. Hello, my test. Hello, hello.
Connected.
Oo, sasali kayo. Kasi, last year na to.
Very too technical. Baka inaayos pa nila.
So wait to think you got something to watch you, to guide you, to the darkness of your day, through the rain.
Inaayos pa nila yung broadcast. Wala na. Maayos na yung room. Nagkaka-technical pala. Ayan ang abad. Ayan. Gonzales. Picture na naman ito mga to. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ayan na. Sige. Yan ang hindi nila alam.